Well, good afternoon, boaters. We're looking at a Palmer 60 with a V-drive on the back end here, which is going to be a 2-to-1 reduction gear. And we've been all through this one. Excuse me here while I'm rotating this around. I'm not really going to stand on my head, but we'll get it out a long ways because this is a long engine. Anyway, we've just been running it here and kind of dialed in the timing on it. It was just a little advanced more than I wanted it to be. So backed it down a bit, and we'll start it right up in a moment and put it in gear and show you how she works. She's running real nice, and I'm going to call up the owner and tell him she's ready, come get it. But been working on it for a while, and we're going to take a pause here while we shut it. All right, we're going to start it up here for us, and you'll see how she runs. Very eager, yes. Listen to that. Kind of like it wants to go sailing.